Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a conversation on Slack to help declutter your sidebar and focus on the channels that actually matter to your work. Step 1. Open the channel or group DM. Before you can exit a conversation, you need to be active within that specific chat window. Click on the channel name or the group direct message in your left-hand sidebar that you wish to leave. In the 2026 interface, make sure you are in the main view of the conversation. If it's a public channel, leaving is simple and you can rejoin later. If it's a private channel, keep in mind that you'll need someone to invite you back in if you change your mind. Step 2. Access the conversation header. The controls for leaving a chat are tucked away in the Details section at the top of your screen. Click on the channel name or the names of the people in a group DM at the very top of the chat window. This opens a pop-up menu with information about the members, pinned files, and settings. In 2026, this is the information hub for that specific conversation. You'll see a row of buttons. Look for the one labeled Leave or click the 3 dots More icon if the Leave button isn't immediately visible. Step 3. Confirm and exit. Slack will ask for a final confirmation to ensure you didn't click the button by mistake. Click Leave Channel or Leave Conversation in the confirmation prompt. Once you confirm, the conversation will immediately disappear from your sidebar. If you leave a group DM, the other participants will see a small system message letting them know you've departed. If you're leaving a public channel, your name will simply be removed from the members list, and you can always find it again later using the channel browser. And that's pretty much it. To leave a conversation in 2026, click the channel name at the top of the chat, select the Leave button from the info menu, and confirm your exit. This is the fastest way to keep your Slack workspace organized and distraction-free. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.